Yeah, welcome to another video. In today's video, we want to talk about the if statement. In Microsoft Excel, if statement is actually a function or a statement that compares values together, and then it produces the result if the comparison is true, and then if it is not, it also produces the result. So this is the original data set of an online retail website. So we have just 119 record of the data sets here, and we want to use the if statement to assign subcontinents to the country. So in this range of cells, I have specified that since there are two unique values, unique countries in the data, United Kingdom will be assigned the subcontinent mainland Europe, while France will be assigned the subcontinent Western Europe. So I want to use the if statement to do that. So I'll say equals if. So you press your tab key on the keyboard, it will autocomplete, and then the if statement contains some parameters. The logical text is the cell with which you want to assign subcontinent, okay, the cell against which you are assigning the new data. So the cell is A2, United Kingdom. So we want to say if A2 equals United Kingdom. So the reason why we are putting United Kingdom in double quotes is because United Kingdom is a text. As we proceed further, you see where we use the if statements on numeric values. So you will see that there is no quotes when there is no double quotation or single quotation when dealing with numeric values. So we press comma. Now the value if true, what do we want if Excel checks and sees that the cell is United Kingdom? What do we want? As in, what should it be assigned? What should be the value if it is true? So we want Excel to assign the value mainland Europe. Okay, you press your comma. Value if false, what will be the other assigned value? So since there are two unique countries here, so if United Kingdom is assigned mainland Europe, definitely the other country, which is France, will be assigned Western Europe. And then you close the if statement. You press your enter. So can you see? So this is the if statements. We have used the if statement to assign mainland Europe to United Kingdom. Put your mouse at the fill and do, and then you double click. Okay, so when you double click that way, you can see for France it is Western Europe, and then for United Kingdom it is mainland Europe. So we want to use we want to see how to use multiple if functions. So when we come to the original data sets, we discover that there is a quantity column. So in that quantity column, it contains numbers, and we want to use those numbers to assign quantity sizes. Okay, so here I've specified the category. Okay, so we say 1 to 30 will be very low, 31 to 59 will be low, 60 to 80 will be medium, 81 to 100 is high, and then 101 to 120 will be very high. So we can use if statement to assign these categories to these quantities. So we'll say equal if, and then the logical text once again will be A2. Okay, so if A2 equals, if A2 not equal, please, if A2, so since we are dealing with range 1 to 30 will be very low, so we'll say if A2 is less than or equal to 30, okay, then the value if true will be very low. We put comma. Now the value if false, so since there are more categories ahead, we'll write another if function. So we have opened up another if function. If A2 once again is less than or equal to 59, what should be the value if it is true? We want to assign it low. Then you press your comma. Now we want to go into the next if. If A2 once again is less than or equal to A, what we want to assign it medium. And then we want to run the if statement again. If A2 is less than or equal to 100, we want to assign it, what will be the value if true? That will be high. Okay, and then what will be the value if false? So since the last category is very high, so that means the rest of the value after Excel has assigned all these values, the rest of the value, which will be from 101 to 120, the value if false will definitely be very high. Okay, so whenever you open multiple if functions like this, you have to close it the same number of times you opened it. So let's check how many times we opened it. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4. Okay, so there are 4 times that we opened it. So we'll close it 1. Can you see how the if statement box moves? We'll close it the second time, we'll close it the third time, and then we'll close it finally. Then we'll press enter. So this is very low. So when I double click this fill and do, and then you can see very low, 32 low. So we say 31 to 59 should be low. So that is why you can see it here low. So let's check it out. 48, 31 to 59 is low, 48 is in that range, 36 is in that range, medium is 80. So we say 60 to 80 should be medium. So you can see, so 120, the highest value, is very high. So that is how you can be able to use the multiple if statement to assign values to or categories to quantities.